How to fix Telegram download stuck problem. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, there is actually three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, it will give you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. When you click on it, now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop option to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then go to the storage and click on clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it. And the third way and the last one is you have just to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.